We did a lot of research ourselves to know what we want.
But ultimately, it was the reviews that we had from Premier, a lot of the feedback and all the good testimonials.
So the input and the guidance from Peter and his team were really a big asset to make decisions and end up in such a beautiful place. He was never short at providing suppliers for everything, from the nail to the fridge to the tub to everything, and his connections were really good.
We were in control or in the driver's seat, making the decisions of what we wanted and basically paid accordingly. So it was really a balancing act of what can we get that's available, it's good quality, at a reasonable cost. Definitely was a learning experience for us. What we enjoyed was getting the team's feedback, including Peter's feedback, on what we should do, what we shouldn't do. Working with the team made that very enjoyable because of their knowledge.
And they were also discussing recommending product from experience, from durability, from warranty. It was a good experience with his suppliers as well.
So the warranty is lifetime, and I trust that these guys will do the right thing. That's really, I think, one of the areas where Premier stands out is availability. Peter was always available, himself and the entire staff.
This helped because coming here, when we chose some stuff, we didn't know with the building restrictions, with the limitation of the ceiling height, the flooring, what's going to work, what's not going to work.
Overall, yes, it was on schedule. I mean, Premier Quality Renovations did not disappoint, and they delivered on what they said they would do.
They made us feel that they're renovating their own house. They were giving it their 100%. That family environment made the transition and all the reno process go smooth.
We absolutely would recommend them.